channel, hit the like button.
Now Nishchay is making art for the Earth Day. What are you doing, Nishchay? Earth drawing. Very nice. So you are using glue.
Yes.
Instead of making it blue color, what I have done, I have cut the polythene of blue color and then we are going to paste it. So it looks so beautiful and uniform also. He is making the land part by pasting this newspaper so that it looks so 3D image and he is doing so much of mischief and he is enjoying. Now he has pasted and he is applying glue on it so it will look so real. It is very easy to make and really children are enjoying a lot while making this such type of art model.
तो मुझे इस पे पूरा ही लगाना है.
Yes,
क्या था?
he's enjoying a lot. Now he's painting it green. Now paste. Very nice.